What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Gone too soon. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. Gone too soon. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. Fly high, my brother Arif. R.I.P. Only Jah sees and only Jah knows. Fly high, my brother Arif. Jah sees and he knows. We say gone too soon. R.I.P. DJ Arif Cooper. Rest in peace, my brother. Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Some know a lot of people are going to say, boy, NEWLINK, you can't sing in NEWLINK, man, all like you sound good. While some are going to say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows NEWLINK, you sound like shit. Well, my people, upon a real level, another joke thing. Today is a sad day, my people, you understand? Sad day for the entertainment fraternity, you understand? For all this jockey around, and especially for members who work alongside Arif Cooper, my people. You don't know, say Arif Cooper is a DJ, my people, who also, you know what I mean, used to work at Fame. You get what I say, my people, and honestly, my people, and a sad one, my people. Arif Cooper has sadly passes away, my viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean? It's a very sad situation. If you know, say, yeah, we lose the DJ, my people, and I'm telling you, my viewers and subscribers, it's a mournful one. So them say, Arif Cooper, my people, him the day of St. Andrew, you understand, a player one party, my people, and basically him collapse, my viewers and subscribers, and while he collapsed, you know what I mean, he was rushed to the hospital, my viewers and subscribers, and then him just passed away, my people. And Arif Cooper is the son of third world founder, my people, Ibo Cooper. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? So it's a really sad situation, man. In times like now, my people, nobody wants to lose their loved ones. You understand? Every day, every moment, every second I get, you want to be there with your families and your loved ones, my people. Cherish the moments, cherish the times, of people. And for now, so you're in a situation where you do lose one, my people. Honestly, you gotta do feel it. You understand? And Arif Cooper is a DJ, my people. I always listen mixtape from him, you know what I mean? I've listened to song when he produced, my people. I've seen my party and them thing there before, and so he's a good DJ, my people. You understand? Anybody who go footloose, them that know Arif Cooper, my people, them man go overseas, international, go player and them thing there. So he was great, my people. Great. A lot of people worldwide stream his music and them something, they mix them, my people, and songs he produced. So I'm telling you, it's a big loss, my people. And he's a legend, you understand? Legend in the disc jockey business. Because them money do them thing a long time, my viewers and subscribers. Before you even have CD and laptop and them something, you understand, my people? Them money do it from you have turntable with records. You understand, my people? At them time, Arif Cooper did it. So it's a big loss, you know? It's a big loss of people. But it's life, you know what I mean? That's why we say gone too soon. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. Nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. Because Arif Cooper, who to tell you that the day was so happy, enjoying himself, feeling good, feeling great, my people. And then just seconds after, that's it, my viewers and subscribers. When Mr. Death come, him don't give out no warning, the people. But we do go hear the morning, we do go hear the balling, and we do go hear the calling, my viewers and subscribers. But again, man, I just want to say, fly high, my brother, Arif Cooper. Your memories will live on, my brother. You understand? And go on up on a heaven. You know, anyway, go play the music. You know what I mean? Go DJ the music. You get what I say? It's life, my people. And that's why I tell every man on earth. You have to just give Jah thanks and praises, my people. Every day you wake up. Me say it all the while. Every day you wake up. Inna you going out, inna you coming in. Give Jah thanks to people. You understand? Because I'm not just gone alone, you know. I'm not just accident, my people. You can't be a strong, healthy, and then that feeling just come on to you. You get me? Because he was playing at a party, the same viewers and subscribers. Early in the morning, he was playing at the party, and then him just collapse. And when him collapse, everybody said, what, John Arif Japan them something there? And we have seen it happen with all the Asian artists there. He was performing on stage, and then him collapse. The people then yes, a heart problem. Rush him to the hospital, him gone. You know what I mean? So these things do happen to people, especially for entertainers and people in the music business, of people that they've been working themselves. Some of them don't get no rest, and that's why we have to appreciate these people. And sometimes when promoter do book them and them do give promoter prices, promoter complaints, say you have too much money, you have too much that. We don't understand what these people been going through. You understand? Sometimes them body want rest, they need a break. And especially when you're coming out of business season in the Christmas of people, and you see how the year start at Jamaica with party all over the place. And for them, man, who is a top selector, my people, from Fame 95, all of these things, my people. You don't know them things got travel back and forth, and You know? But one thing we have to do as man too, we have to check on, we help my people, do a regular checkup, especially when they're reaching at the age of 35 going to 40. Man, please do no screening, please do no checkup. You understand? Because we don't know what going on in our body, you know. No matter we face, we look healthy and we look strong, and we can drink 2 beer and pop 2 champagne and laugh and pralaugh, but something I work up in the organ them what we have to check up on. You understand? We have to. Just like you have your car and you have to service the car. Because if you don't service the car, it definitely will go pop down for you. You understand? That's how your body is, people. It can't work 24, so you have to check up on it, maintain it, take care of it, my people. You get what I'm saying? I'm not going to say Arif Cooper, he wasn't doing that. He was checking up on himself. He was take care of his body. He was maintaining his health. I'm not going to say that, my viewers and subscribers, but this is just something where we can be cautious with ourselves as man. Because a lot of man out there, people, me have to tell you the truth, them don't check up on themselves. Me do my check up, my people. You understand? I do my checkup because, you know, me love to feel healthy. Me want to know my body good, my people. So when you come on to them blood something there and all of them something there, yeah man, me I go to them, my people. Because I want to feel good, I want to feel great, and more my mind and my conscience to feel nice, you know, no stress. Because when you're stressed and I worry about certain things, the people, me I tell you, it's not a good feeling. You get me? I worry if you have this, I worry if you have that. Oh my gosh, man, you know one of them feeling there. No, sir. But DJ Arif Cooper, fly high again, my brother. Rest in peace. It's a big loss. It's a great loss. You understand? And the world love you, my brother. Everybody pour out them condolences. We have seen artists, lot of artists, I see, I post him up on them IG, my people. I've seen Dario, because he and Dario, you know, Dario used to DJ with Conscience. Them have them look at difference and them fall out. I've seen Dario making posts because, you understand, him and Dario was really close to people. So, I just say I got a lot of disc jockeys same way, especially from Fame 95 and the whole RGR Communications group, my people. They are mourning, you know what I mean, because you don't know the same group, my people. But it's a big loss, man. You know what I mean? Arif Cooper, boy, I remember. You know, very good DJ, my people. Very good DJ. Anybody who go foot loose the party them we know Arif Cooper, my people. It's a big loss. It's a great loss. But it's life. It's life. And the song what we say, gone too soon. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. Gone too soon. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. Because nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. So give Jah thanks for everything. Yeah, yeah. Give him his praises in the morning and give him his praises in the evening. Because nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. And just remember my sisters and remember my brothers. Without Jah, without God, we are nothing at all. Oh, gone too soon. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. Gone too soon. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. Fly high, my brother Arif Cooper. Rest in peace, my brother Arif Cooper. Your memories will live on. We love you, my brother Arif Cooper. Rest in peace. Fly high, my brother. Big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. Thanks for the love, the support. And please like the video, my people. Share the video. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Arif Cooper, RIP. I'm out. Blessings. Big up.